Question that we are going to discuss is how to separate a variable in an equation. This topic has been taken from class 7. Let's begin with it now. To understand it more clearly, let's take an equation. I have taken equation as x minus 1 equals to 0. So now what I have to do, I have to remove this x and 1 from this equation. So how am I going to do it is, now my work is I have to separate this variable and the constant number from here. So for this, what I have to do, I have to remove this minus 1 from the left hand side. So for this, what I'll do, this is minus of 1, I'll add 1 to it. And if I am adding 1 to the left hand side, I have to add 1 to the left hand side as well. So this minus 1 and plus 1, they will give you 0. So it's 0, they will get cancelled out each other, and this is equal to 0 plus 1, that is x. So here x is equal to 1. This can be done in another way also, and this method is called as transpositioning. So what are we going to do in this one? It's x minus 1 equals to 0. So I am going to transpose this minus 1 to the other side, and when I'll be transposing it to the other side, the sign in front of it will get changed. Here we are subtracting it on the left hand side. When it get transposed to the other side, the number will get added. So the number becomes x is equal to 1. Okay, let's take another example now. 3l equals to 42. In this, you don't have the addition or the subtraction. So what do we have to do here is, we will be dividing both the sides. As you can see that 3 and l, the coefficient and the variable, they are together with each other. I have to remove these two. मुझे ये दोनों अकेले चाहिए. I just need to find out the value of l. So how am I going to do is, I will divide both sides with 3 को remove करना, so I'll be dividing both sides with 3. So this will be 3l divided by 3 equals to 42 divided by 3. Here 3 and 3 will get cancelled out, so we get l all alone, and here 42 to be divided by 3, you will get, when you divide it, you'll get 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 3 4s are 12, so it will come out to be 14. So this is how we will be dividing them, and we got the value of l as 14. Now how to get the value of n when we have both the operation, the multiplication as well as the subtraction or addition, any kind of operation. Okay, so how we are going to do it is, first of all, we have to remove this number, this minus 2 from here. So what we are going to do is 3n minus 2. When we have to remove minus 2 from here, we will be adding 2 to both sides. So this and this will get cancelled. We are left with 3n equals to 46 plus 2 will come out to be 48. Now I have to find out the value of n. So what I have to do, I have to divide both sides by, as 3 is the coefficient of n, so I have to divide it by 3. So it will come out to be 3n divided by 3 equals to 48 divided by 3. This 3 and this 3, they will get cancelled out, and so the value of n comes out to be 48 divided by 3, it will come out to be 16. The value of n comes out to be 16. So this is how you have to do it. Thank you.